How you doing, folks? And welcome to Power Tools for Beginners. My name is Marlon Luis Sanchez at your service. Thank you very much for tuning into the channel. Thank you very much for actually putting up with my crazy attitude. I just want to explain a little bit about my videos. Some of the videos are really short. The reason I did them was there's some people who literally want to see the nitty gritty. They don't really want to hear a guy talking. They don't really want to hear the music. They just want to pop into the video. They want to get the information that they're looking for, and they want to go out and actually do their project. So for that reason, I actually do a couple of little variations on my videos. There'll be some videos that'll have no voiceover whatsoever, a little bit of music, and the information that you're looking for. There'll be other videos where you get to see me actually explain and go over the information that I'm actually giving out on the video. This is more pertaining to how to use the tools, how to change blades, if obviously the tool requires any special treatment. But if it's something simple, if it's something easy, I know time is money. I know your time is gold for you. So I definitely just went ahead and did it the fastest and the quickest I could. Obviously, I don't talk out of my butt. I am an expert at not being an expert, but everything that I put up on this channel, I actually researched on Google. I researched it in other YouTube channels. I actually asked my friends, my relatives, and every once in a while, I actually even stop over on construction sites, get out of the car, go out there, introduce myself to the guys, and be like, hey man, what's that tool for? Is that heavy? Where'd you get that? What do you use that for? Is it any good? Would you buy another one? Would you recommend it to me? Is it something that I'm not gonna chop up a finger, or I'm not gonna chop off my foot, or I'm not gonna literally go crazy and drill 20 million holes on my house? You know, and after I actually get all of this research done, I'll go ahead and I'll pop a little video in there for you. I try to make it entertaining. I try to make it fun. Obviously, again, I'm not an expert. I don't say I am. On the contrary, I encourage you that if a job is too hard or too dangerous, hire a professional. Maybe when they're at your house, you can ask them, how that job is done. You know, what advice would they give to you as a beginner, do-it-yourselfer, a power tool apprentice, and definitely, get that good advice to actually make you better. Now, obviously, and I thank God, during all of this pandemic, all I did was watch YouTube tutorial videos. I started following some channels. I actually have a couple of them recommended on my channel. I believe that these guys are awesome. They really know their stuff. And I can watch their videos for hours and hours and hours. So after I do research on anything that I'm going to talk about here in the channel, trust me, folks, I've actually done the research for it. I try to make it as fast, as fun, and as easy as possible. If you have any advice, anything positive that you can bring to the channel, please let me know, because I love learning. I actually love doing do-it-yourself projects. I love putting things together. I love taking things apart. Here in my house, I'm actually a toy collector. So I actually do my own decorating. Literally, my house is almost 1,000,000% concrete. So I have a lot of experience working with concrete and cement. Getting into the carpentry, getting into the woodworking, getting into the metal, decoration and cutting. So trust me when I tell you that we're going to be learning together, and anything that I actually recommend, anything that I actually tell you, I'm not talking out of my butt, but it's actually been researched. It's just been broken down to the nitty gritty, easiest thing to do, so that you can go out, actually do your project. If you need to come back and maybe see a point of reference, you want to ask a question, trust me, it'll be my pleasure to help you. With that said, thank you very much. I hope you share, like, and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to be here for a very long time. See ya.